Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. Very good morning to all of you. This is Heaven Education Foundation, which has arranged free online lectures due to coronavirus situation, and it is our target to complete Renan Martin exercises 1 to 103 exercises, and this is exercise of 52. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you will subscribe my channel, then you will have my upcoming new videos very easily. Number 1, pick out the participle in each of the following sentences. Tell whether it is present participle or past participle, and also how it is used. First of all, what is participle? If you are using verb as an adjective, it is called participle. When verb is acting just like as an adjective and it qualifies noun or pronoun, then it is called participle. Either it is present participle or past participle. Present participle first verb plus ing, and past participle third form of verb. How? I am giving you example. This I like dancing doll. Before doll I am using dancing. Dancing is your adjective right now, and it would be your first verb plus ing and present participle as well. And past participle, I saw many broken toys. Broken toys. How many? Which type of toys? Broken. Okay, this is past participle because it is third form of verb, that is called past participle. Let's start exercise. The fat of the body is fuel laid away for use. Okay, now laid. Number 1, laid, past participle, qualifying the noun few. Qualifying the noun few. Being occupied with important matters, he had no leisure to see us. Being occupied. Being your present participle, being occupied, and qualifying the noun pronoun he. Qualifying the pronoun he. The children coming home from school look in at the open door. Number 3, coming present participle, qualifying the noun children. Number 4, Michael, bereft of his son Luke, died of a broken heart. Bereft means unhappy in love. Okay, number 4, bereft, past participle, qualifying the noun Michael. Number 5, books read in childhood seem like old friends. Yes. Number 6, learnt, past participle, qualifying the noun lesson. Number 7, a word fitly spoken is like apples of gold in pictures basket of silver. Yes. Number 7, spoken, past participle, qualifying the noun word. Number 8, seeing the sunshine, I threw open the window. Seeing the sunshine, I threw open the window. Number 8. Yes. Number 8, seeing, present participle, governing the noun sunshine and qualifying the pronoun I. Number 9, seeing him by the arm, his friend led him away. Yes. Seizing him by the arm, his friend led him away. Seizing is your present participle, governing the pronoun him and qualifying the noun friend. Number 11, overcome by remorse, he determined to atone for his crime by liberality to the church. Yes, remorse. Number 11, overcome, qualifying the pronoun he. Overcome, qualifying the noun pronoun he. Let's start exercise 53. Combine the following pairs of sentences by making use of a participle. Let's start exercise. Yes, the porter opened the gate, we entered. Yes, the porter opening the gate, we entered. The porter opening the gate, we entered. Number 2, we started early, we arrived at noon. Yes, starting or having. Started early, we arrived at noon. You may say starting, we arrived at home. Starting early, we arrived at home at noon, or having started early, we arrived at noon. Both you can say. We met a man, he was carrying a log of wood. Yes, number 3, we met a man carrying a load of wood. Carrying a log of wood. Carrying a log of wood. The stable door was open, the horse was stolen. Yes, the stable door being open, the horse was stolen. He seized his stick, he rushed to the door. Seizing his stick, he rushed to the door. The hunter took up his gun, he went out to shoot the lion. Number 6, taking up his gun, the hunter went out to shoot the lion. A crow stole a piece of cheese. She flew to her nest to enjoy the last meal. Yes, stealing a piece of cheese, a crow flew to her nest to enjoy the tasty meal. Number 8, the wolf wished to pick up quarrel with the lamb. He said, "How dare you make the water muddy?" Yes, number 8, wishing to pick a quarrel with the lamb, the wolf said, "How dare you make the water muddy?" Number 9, Nanak met his brother in the street. He asked him where he was going. Nanak met his brother in the street. He asked him where he was going. Number 10. Number 9. A passenger alighted from the train. He fell over a bag on the platform. Alighting from the train, a passenger fell over a bag on the platform. Alighting from the train, he fell over a bag on the platform. Number 10, Nanak met his brother in the street. He asked him where he was going. Meeting his brother in the street, Nanak asked him where he was going. Number 11, my sister was charmed with the silk. She bought 10 yards. Number 11, being charmed with the silk, my sister bought 10 yards. Number 12, the steamer was delayed by a storm. She came into port a day late. Being delayed by a storm, the steamer came into port a day late. Number 13, he had resolved on a certain course. He acted with vigor. Having resolved on a certain course, he acted with vigor. Number 14, he staggered back, he sank to the ground. Staggering back, he sank to the ground. Staggering back, he sank to the ground. The letter was badly written. I had greatly difficulty in making out its contents. Yes, the letter being badly written, I had great difficulty in making out its content. Number 16, they had no fodder. They could give the cow nothing to eat. Having no fodder, they could give the cow nothing to eat. Number 17, a hungry fox saw some bunches of grapes. They were hanging from a vine. A hungry fox saw some bunches of grapes hanging from a vine. Number 18. Cinderella hurried away with such much haste she dropped one of the little glass slipper. Hurrying away with much haste, Cinderella dropped one of her little glass slippers. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.